starting a live stream to promote a product launch URL. Hey there everyone! Live streaming is all the rage now, although the majority of people are not using it to make money. You'll find people using live stream to chat and play video games, and only a few using it for its money-making potential. In this lesson, we're going to show you how to set up a YouTube live stream where you can go live for your business, interact with potential customers, and make money in real time. Going live on YouTube. Going live on YouTube is really easy. And in this lesson, we're going to show you how to go live to promote a product launch URL to present your product and generate early bird sales. Start on the YouTube homepage while logged into your channel. And from there, go to your YouTube Studio dashboard by clicking on the Profile menu button, and then on the YouTube Studio option. Once on the dashboard page, click on the Create button on the top bar menu. Then click on the Go Live option from the display menu. This will take you to the live streaming page. Setting up the stream. Now it is time to start setting up the live stream. First, make sure to allow YouTube access to your camera and microphone so the live stream runs. Now click on the Stream tab. Here you are going to add your live stream information. Enter the name of your live stream into the Create a Title field. Here you are going to enter the name of your product launch. Now you are going to add the product launch description into the Description field. Here you are going to add a summary of the product launch. Make sure to include your target keywords and search terms for maximum exposure. The next step is key. You are going to insert your product launch URL at the end of the description. You will entice viewers to take action during the live stream to encourage them to learn more about the product by clicking on the URL in the description. This is how you are going to drive conversions during the live stream. Now make sure that the stream is set as public, and then click on the Category menu button to select the correct category for the stream. Now click on the Upload Custom Thumbnail and upload a thumbnail image that you consider to be a good fit for the stream. You can use the product cover or an asset from the product launch kit as the thumbnail. Lastly, select the No, It's Not Made for Kids option in the Audience section. Starting or scheduling the stream. You will have the options to broadcast the stream right away or to schedule the stream for a later date. Now, your best bet is to leverage buzz for the product launch to promote your live stream. So, you have to make sure to either schedule the live stream to make time to promote the broadcast or to promote it heavily on social media before you go live. In case you want to schedule the live stream, simply enable the Schedule for Later option. Then click on the Date field and use the Calendar function to pick a date. And then, click on the Time field to select the time of the broadcast. Once you schedule the broadcast, click on Create Stream. On the other hand, if you are going live right away, simply disable the Schedule for Later option and then click on Stream. In this case, we just posted a reminder to our Facebook and Twitter accounts, so we expect viewers coming in the moment we start the stream. So make sure to post your reminders before you go live too. How to send your product video to the first page of search results. Hey there, friends! One of the hardest things to achieve on YouTube is ranking a video on top of the search results pages. In fact, this is the reason why most aspiring YouTube businesses and creators quit. And while it can certainly be discouraging to try to compete and rank in a platform as saturated as YouTube, you'll be glad to know that there is actually a way to rank your video on top, right from the moment you publish it. In this lesson, we are going to show you that trick, so you can send your videos to the first page of search results the easy and fast way, step by step. Step number 1. Upload your video. Start by uploading your video to YouTube. Let's do it from the home page this time. For this, simply click on the camera icon on the top bar menu, and then click on the Upload Video option. Now click on Select File. Locate your video file and double-click on it so your video starts uploading. Step number 2. Optimize for the top ranking and publish your video. Now that your video is uploading, you can start optimizing it. The optimizations we're about to show you differ from the optimizations we applied when we set up the first sales video, because the goal now is to compete for the top ranking on the top page by laser targeting some search terms. Let's start with the video title. This video title should be at least 5 words long, and it has to include your target keywords, search terms, the name of your brand or the product that you are going to promote, and video keywords. If you are unfamiliar with video keywords, allow us to explain them real quick. Video keywords are keywords that the YouTube and Google algorithms identify as keywords related to videos with high traffic. In other words, these are keywords targeted by the most popular videos on the platform. Interestingly, these are very general keywords that, when combined with your niche keywords, can help you compete for the top spot on search results. These keywords include review, how-to, tips, tutorial, funny, as well as keywords related to the fitness, sports, health, and lifestyle niches. By adding the name of your product or brand in the mix, the algorithm differentiates the title from the rest because it makes it unique and places it on top. It is then your job to keep the top place by sending viewers to the video. For this example, we are going to use the tutorial keyword as our video keyword. We are going to combine this keyword with a high-traffic search term and the name of our business at the end of the title. Let's now optimize the description. The strategy here is simple. Compose a description that is 250 characters long. Include all of your target keywords and search terms on this description and your product URL at the end. Now click on Upload Thumbnail to upload your thumbnail image. Then select the No It's Not Made for Kids option in the Audience section. Now click on More Options. Scroll down to the Tags section and insert your keywords and search terms into the Tags field. This is crucial because tags are going to help you index your video faster. Now select the language of your video. Then click on the Category menu button and select the correct category of your video. Then click on Next. For this example, we are going to skip adding elements to this video, so we'll simply click on Next to continue. Finally, you are going to select Public in the Visibility section, and then you're going to click on the Publish button. Step number 3. Verify your ranking. YouTube videos are ranked immediately, and you'll be able to check your spot in the search results pages right away. For this, go to the YouTube homepage, enter the search term in your title, and then click on the search icon. And there you go. As you can see, our video is on the top spot of the search results page. Let's now visit google.com to check the ranking over there. Here, you'll apply the same steps. Type your target search term in the search bar and press Enter to start the search. Then click on the Videos tab. And there you have it again. Our video is right there on the search results for video. It doesn't get any easier than this to send your videos to the first page of search results.